Sub pound. Morning, morning. Where's my L2? Where'd it go? Internet, it's well, I haven't checked it today, but it actually almost screwed me 4 times yesterday. I tried to trade and I did successfully trade, but multiple times it turned off on me in the middle of or right after I would like sell something or whatever. So it kind of screwing me, but it hasn't had issues. Holy shit. This thing's all over the place, dude. Nah, I'm out. Screw this. Screw that. Screw that. Yeah. Well, it was stable all last night. I was playing some games, just trying to test it out. Never had an issue, so I think we're fine. How's Ryan Mara? Not like juice to the tits right now. How do I take the video game category off of the Twitch stream? Huh? What are you referring to? Dude, why does my L2 feel like really slow? Once it gets to 60, it's like insta drop. Again, right once it hits 60, it's like insta drop 10 cents. What's going on here? XRP breaking some big levels. $55 break. Should send it. Nope. Immediate 10-cent drop again. What is going on? 59, 60. Again, 10-cent drop. Like, it can't keep doing that. 5-cent drop. Freaking go. 10-cent drop again. Screw it. I'm out. Screw this. Now chat rooms are getting in it and it's still not going? Come on. This thing's dirty. Papa Ross, what are you talking about the game thing? Are you talking about in Discord? Master Beef? No, I didn't. I didn't even know it moved. Twitch Stream Manager? I have no idea, dude. Stream Manager. Are you talking about like when you're streaming? I don't use Twitch Stream Manager. Papa Ross. I use OBS. SGN. 5-minute would be 4. Yeah, and whatever program you use, you've got to pick a category to stream to. So, whatever game you're playing, you want to pick that category. For 1 minute. The hell? Morning, Chicka Bow Wow. Oh, you're a little off, bud. There you go. Stuff. Dude. This thing is so whippy. I ain't playing that game. Okay. Rosh just made $10,000 on a 10-cent move. Oh, is he taking 100K share lots? Jesus. Chicka Bow Wow, let's go. 20 months. Bruh. Holy crap. Someday I'll be at that level. Or I can just take 100,000 shares. Merry Christmas. Oh, my man. That's rough, brother. Jeez, spreads. Did I trade anything offline? Yeah, I did a lot of trading actually out in the afternoon. I was up $3 grand at one point. It was all beta chuck, really. my normal trades actually didn't work very well, but news plays were working very well. And I gave back 2/3 of it all. I stopped when I was up $1,000. Wasn't my best showing. Yeah, I had that one. The high beta squawk on Benzinga. It was letting on some buyers trades. What's going on here? What are your thoughts on the overall market right now? I think it's just kind of chillax until we get to earnings. What is that, next week or the week after? I think it's next week. Earnings season. So a bit expensive for beta check. He's worth it if you're a day trader and you trade the news. You'll make your money back. But if you can't afford beta check, Trade Exchange is a good value pick. That's the other one that I use quite a bit. It's like $250 per month. Yeah, you can totally talk that down. That's kind of like the sticker price, and then the real price is not that. I think for the year, the add-on is like $4.99. Oops, where did I type that? I didn't mean to type GAZ. I meant to put it in here. Okay. He bought a lot of shares. No plans to raise equity. This is a wedge. We gotta watch this. It's actually doing a cuck right now. Boom! 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 Holy cow! Something that I will make all day.
Nice job.
Dude, it's end too. 12 million? How was your personal tutor session? What are we talking about here? Gau's gonna go again? A cock failing. Lots of sellers into the cock. Who is that? 42-year-old dad. Let's go 6 months. Thank you. Oh, there it goes. Looked away for a second. Damn.
Morning.
Morning to you. No. Freaking garbage. $730. this is really thin. Dude, if this gets any kind of volume, this is going to rocket. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Shizza, let's go, bud. 9 months. Dude, this thing is crazy. Look how thin it is. I mean, I told you. Freaking told you. If there gets any volume on this thing, it's juiced and boom. And the MMs are still lagging behind on it. Jeez. I look away for a second. Ross just made 27,000.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
Small size. He said he took small size. Dude, must have taken like 5,000 shares or something. That's insane.
No.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Duper Kit, let's go. Why no play this? Yeah, no pullback. I'm just not going to chase it. And the news really doesn't justify it. So it's like a double. I mean, you're up 200%. This thing's moving dollars like it's nothing. I got to wait for a pullback. No, he bought at 22.30. Means he probably bought 10,000 shares and it juiced a couple bucks. Holy cow, 10,000 shares on a stock that's absolutely juiced out of its mind. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm like close to like half of that level. Damn, head. Jeez. Guys are freaking crazy. So now the market makers are fully in this right now. It's not as thin as it was moving up here. So I would expect the moves will become dampened. Boom, boom, boom. Holy hell, dude. Bitcoin mining company, Mogo, takes a stake? Is that what the headline was? It's up quite a bit. Don't freaking flush all the way down. Get over 50. Stay over 50. Can't do it. Ah. If it comes back up over that 250, I'm back long. BTCT starting to move. Dude, this INKT is INKT here has a cuck. So spready. $3 a Bitcoin. That's more than a shame. Technically, it's not. I have 0.1 Bitcoin somewhere on some hard drive on some old computer. It's like $10,000 now. Or was it 0.01 Bitcoin? I don't know. I think it was 0.1. Yeah, I don't know. Might have been 0.01. I don't know what it was. Let's break here at 20. It should go. It's really not. It needs to go. Sellers are lined up. Can't believe like none of the old Bitcoin plays are moving. Like BTCS, I mean, it's literally selling off right now. All those Bitcoin plays. GME has a shit ton of Bitcoin now. Not even up 1%. All right, let's see if we get some 8 o'clock news. There. Non-dilutive. What? This is super thin. No, didn't go. Oh, as soon as I get in, huh? Soon as I got. Jeez. How's that not taking off? I'm gonna get out. Screw that. Freaking A. Freaking A. How's that not going? Oh, now you're gonna go? You piece of shit. You freaking piece of shit. Dare can't hold the move. It keeps spiking hard. Watch this 320. I mean, how does it immediately pull back? But every freaking time I get in this thing. There you go. Spread your wings and fly. Oh, you want out, SJ? Psych, that ain't happening. 206. Okay. And now we're over the 200, which is kind of my level on these things, right? It's that 320. Broken 328. We broke. Jeez, okay. See these spikes, man? It just really doesn't hold a level. Oh, and now you're back down. Okay. Now you candle under candle. Okay. Like, get off my nuts. Piece of shit. I lost $100 on it. Damn grinder. Or Gorilla Technology, not grinder. I keep saying grinder on this freaking thing. ABVE coming back up. Okay. Shut up, dude. I see you. Golly. This high volume piece of shit. GRR is the headline. NVIDIA partnership reports 5.6 billion pipeline. Now it's active global. Okay. So what you do with that? All right. Let's see the GRRR lands NVIDIA partnership. Reports $5.6 billion pipeline. Gorilla Technology just announced it has an active global pipeline worth $5.6 billion across 87 opportunities. Is now an official NVIDIA solutions provider. Expects to close $1.3 billion in contracts by mid-2026, with deals spanning 3 to 15 years. The company plans a big U.S. expansion, has $108 million in cash, and is eyeing a major AI firm acquisition this quarter. Okay. But can you hold $22? Can you not do a candle under candle when I'm in it? You did a candle under candle. Daily Cox 2210. Shit. There's your candle under candle. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Let's go salt. Damn it. CELZ hitting the scanners. Haley Cock, what's the news on it? Received notice of allowance for treatment of heart failure and post. A patent. Okay. Okay. It's like it likes it knows I'm trying to put an order in to sell. Like it knows. I was trying to get in and out of 2215 with that order there. As soon as I start typing, poopy poopy. What are you doing here, bud? Holy dung suck. Wait, what? Hollow, huge pop. $200 million of Bitcoin. This should absolutely juice. Purchased up to 200 million. How do you purchase up to it? Oh, and derivatives with a cumulative investment of $34 million. It's a $4 million 4 million share float. Jeez. Selling half at 9. I'll lock it in. Let's go! Taking some more off. Oh my gosh, I'm erect! Yeah, Hollow had news. Hollow Microcloud announces it has purchased up to 200 million in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related security derivatives with a current cumulative investment income, whatever that means, of 34 million. So they used 34 million to buy derivatives, basically is what they said. Holy son of a dumb. Jeez. Can it hold 750, please? Needs to hold 8. Has to hold 8. What a freaking move. All right, do you bounce off the 9 EMA? Why is this popping up? Hollow would be interesting to see what it does. It's probably right at a fib level right now. 618. No, below it. Gosh, piece of shit. What a piece of shit. Can't hold nothing. Can't hold nothing. Did I burp? Apologize. I was too busy making money to notice. Let's see if this guy disappears. Like, these people are disgusting. Let me just throw 100,000 shares up there. Like, you're a jerk store. He's written it down $1. Jeez. It's really not that many shares compared to what the volume's doing. But damn, like, dude, there's better ways to exit rather than showing your cards like that. All right, let's see if we juice again on it. I bet you a 1 minute cock does do something. Did it do it here? As I say that, it doesn't do anything. I want to see GME juice today, especially off of that inside candle from yesterday. That's what I really want to see. I want to see Robinhood take off. Dare is now low of day. Jeez. Get out of here. Newegg. That one I don't get, man. That thing has been juice monster crazy. Big bit here. Just trying it. I don't know. It looks really thin, but and this guy shows up. I ain't playing these games, man. I ain't playing these freaking games. Okay, this has a daily level of 135, whatever this is. TGL. Really tight Bollinger Bands on the daily. Well, it's disgusting. That's brutal. Riley, let's go, bud. 39 months. Holy jeez.
Time for my month Prime donation. As always, that SJ Cat Jam, Cat Jam, Cat Jam, Cat Jam.
Hood. Whoa, what was that? Just a random ass fill in the ask, I guess. Apollo trying to curl. Alright, there's something there. Golly, it's thick now. She's thick. revested. Just to let you know, we got a bunch of trolls in chat, and most of them are my mods, so don't take anything to heart. SGN, very tight 5-minute. Golly, this month is insane. Ugh. Potential wedge. It's only a 2-pointer wedge, but it's there. GRI, what are you doing? I'll buy this dip here. Tight stop on it. See what happens. They're trying to break that. They just did. And reclaim. MACD's now down officially. So, you know. Of course it is. MACD's trying to curl down. We'll see if it can hold on to any level here. Looking for an 80 break. Okay. Okay. DFD. It's not really a headline here. Come on, break 80. Break 380. Broke 4. Ooh, 10-cent drop again. We're going to play that game again, huh? I'm not playing that game. Needs to break and hold it. What's this high? 08. $407. Thanks for the slow affiliate turn. All right. ZVAI. It's your wireless mouse. It's your wireless mouse, not eTurd. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Jake? Ruth still got his mind all mushy. What? Sure, now you get over to after you abandon your supporters Wednesday to go see Ruth early. Okay. XRP. I'm in XRP. I've been in XRP. I see it hitting the eTurd scanners here. 2x long XRP. Who wants a piece of that? Yeah, that 265 level, it cracked it this morning. Where's it at right now? 265 again. Nice. You're at the weekly upper Bollinger Band right now. So, I don't know. What are we thinking here? %, ETH gains. ETH's chart now, that one actually looks the best out of all of them, honestly, for being real. ETH looks crazy good. Well, potential anyway. It's a 5-minute cock on this. how training my friend go, it was actually very difficult. Like, it's like it's like trying to teach a college level class to a freaking 5-year-old. Like, how do you even begin? Like, it just really ingrained, like, what we do is so hard, and it's so hard. You've been doing it for so long. Like, how do you explain it? Like, where do you even start? I told him, like, everything I'm saying, I know makes zero sense to you, and I don't know how to make it make sense. Tell him to join the stream. Cosmo, punch yourself in the dick. Watch that 420 on ABVE. No, I've never showed him any video. He doesn't know I have a YouTube. I don't want my friends knowing how much I make. Would you train someone who knows what they're doing? What would that look? Well, it's like a base knowledge. So if someone understands candlesticks to some degree, if they understand charts, like support and resistance areas to some degree, that I can teach. Someone that's, put in a little effort. But like a person that doesn't even know that they're supposed to learn that first, it's like, and then it's a lot easier to teach someone on like higher time frames because it's slower moving, things get developed more. But like trying to teach, like he's like, I want to see what you do. I'm like, all right, we're gonna look at freaking 1 minute charts, and then I'm gonna blow your mind. And I'm sitting here watching like a wedge form, and I'm like saying, okay, this is the bear's opportunity to push it down. Okay, here's the bull's opportunity because the bear's failed here. Okay, and just verbalizing the switches of who has control of price action, the bulls and the bears, and that change happens every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes, every 1 minute. And he's like, how do you make a trade when things change so quick? I'm like, welcome to trading. Do they have 401ks? Yeah. Yeah, no shot. Yeah. It's talk to algos and dark pools. Yep. Yep. And on top of it, I told him, don't you dare come to this little meeting with your phone. You better bring a freaking laptop with an actual trading platform on it. What does he show up with? A freaking phone, because he doesn't have a laptop that is worth a darn. So we're using my laptop, which is fine. I kind of expected that, but I'm like, you want to learn day trading without a tool to, like, don't you dare day trade on your phone. He's like, why? I'm like, because there's no way you have enough information to make informed decisions. Here goes that ABVE 420. Cuck and go. Where do you teach these? We went to a library. It's too bad. I have friends and family that keep asking me to show them how to trade. I always refuse and explain to them I spent years of my life learning this and sim trading, another 4 months losing real money before I figured it out. They pretty much just want the cliff notes so they can run with it. Yeah. Like there's so much that goes into a trade that's so automatic for all of us. That's like, it's really hard to explain that to somebody. Like, there are things going on that I'm seeing in real time that there's no way I can verbalize fast enough. I can, after the fact, telling you what I saw, but if you're trying to get me to tell you real time, it's damn near impossible. When are you holding the trade education at the lake I'm in? Guys, this is what the stream is for. If you have freaking questions, ask. So we spent 2 hours there. And I was trying to make a trade, but it was really, what was it, Wednesday? Wednesday was such an ass day. There's nothing. So I kind of forced a couple trades. I ended up losing $50. And I certainly didn't take any size. Like I changed everything. I changed the name of my account so he didn't know who Stock Jock was. I freaking I took the quantity off so he couldn't see my cash, so I just got rid of this column here. And then I traded small size. Like I traded and I got rid of market value. So and then I just traded like 50 shares or 100 shares or whatever. And even then, like I lost $75 on an Amazon trade, and I earned 25 back on some other track, Palantir or something. And I could see that his eyes like, oh man, you lost $50. Like, trust me, I'm very green today. I'm not worried about $50. Our friends are all buy and holders. Damn good at 2. Day trading requires a small. Hollows at 866. Watch that one for a curl. That's interesting. Very interesting. Is this a college grad? Oh yeah. He's in his, I think he's in his 30s. I don't know. There are at least 4 to 5 of us here who would come to a weekend seminar with you in person for a few $1,000s, but not sure if it's worth it for you. I mean, there's $10,000 on the freaking line. We can talk. Shut up, Chicka Bow Wow. Freaking taking $10,000 out of my mouth. I got a backyard I got to repair. I got dirt and rock to buy. Most annoying question I get, not that anyone knows exactly what we do, is when people say, I'll give you 10K to trade with. My mom literally said that a couple weeks ago to me. Can I just give you $10,000 and you double it? I'm like, oh, just double it, right? Because that's easy. Here, just double it. I'm like, Mom, do you understand how hard it is to just double a portfolio? Apparently not. Hollow's up. I see it. Yep, $9 now. Just take your money and say you lost it. You're good. Just take it and pocket it. Sorry, Mom, I lost it. I went real hard. Lost it. I said I'd do it, but I'm like, Mom, like, you do understand that you, in your retirement fund or whatever you got, you're hoping for 10% on the year. Like, that's a good year. You're asking me to do 100%. Just double it. You're asking me to do something you look to do in your own portfolio for 10 years. You want me to do in a short time span. And it's gone. It'd be one thing if I could just like throw the money in this account and like use my margin, but I can't do it like that. Tax wise. I do Salt. I do, but I can't put her money in this account, trade, make $10K and then give it back. Because the IRS will say, oh, you made 10K. Where's my 50%? So she has to open up a trading account. I don't even know if it's legal, but say it was, to give me her username and password. And then I would have to trade in there with no margin. No margin. And somehow, do you know how long it took me to take my this account from 5,000 to 30,000? Like, this is years. Three or two or whatever it was. You have to sign a lot of forms to get permission to trade another account, or you're violating the TOS. There you go. What you do is take the 10K as a gift, pay her 100, she gets 20K back, and you just pocket the 10 as a gift for the time being. Oh, you mean like the amount of money that a parent can give? But I am still making $10,000 profit. If I turn her 10 into 20, I've made 10,000 profit. The IRS will say, okay, you made $10,000 profit. All I hear is excuses. Shut up, Odin. 17 years to pay her back. Yeah, Mom's going to be on her deathbed. Mom, I finally did it. Return your DFDB scanners here. Just take 10K by VU. I could, but then she wants 10K turned into 20K. If I bought VU, it's going to take like 6-7 years. She's already got, I don't know if she has VU or not. I don't know. She's got stocks, I think. And well, I know she does. I don't know what they are, but here, just take 10K. I'm like, Mom, where are you getting 10K? Just give me. It's like, my other stuff aren't really doing anything. Can I just give you 10K and you just double it? Literally her words. I could not believe it. It's like, do you know what you just asked me to do? Just double it. Just double it. Like, that's easy. Throw it on black. There's 266 XRP. We're breaking out again. Oh, Juice Monster. Juice Monster XRP. Get nice and girthy. There's that break right here. So this is what I was talking about. Okay. This is what I was talking about. We're near the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly. We just broke a pretty big weekly level here. At 265. Take 10K and don't do anything but return her 20K in a week. And then ask her if she wants to try it 50K in the pocket and tell her it didn't work this time. Gosh. Freaking savages. That sounds like something you'd see at a pool hall. SJ Mom. Oh, geez. Someone's going to make that screen name now. I give it less than a minute. Someone's going to claim it, and we're going to see SJ Mom in chat. I forgot the name of that scam. Anyway, It's actually a name for it. Anyone know, does the 14-day trial at Benzinga include the high bay squawk? Head, they do say it is. Use the link, use the coupon. I don't know if they make you put in the coupon code or not then, but it does. It does include it. And if it doesn't, for some reason, call them real quick. Literally, it's a 2-minute phone call and ask, and they will want. I would bet my left nut sack. That's right, my left nut sack, not the nut. I have 2 nut sacks because that's how big my balls are. They require their own sack. That they would let you have beta check. Luca, I already explained it to you. They require their own. They're massive. I think I made that clear. And I just put 10K into our president's crypto ETF. There's a Trump ETF. Let's try it again. I don't really want anything to do with that stock. He didn't launch a crypto ETF. You mean like DJT trying to? Paulo's got a 5-minute. MACD is down, so I'm not really interested in it right now. I'm up $3,000 on my XRP swing in a $15,000 account or a $15,000 position. No. Yeah, $15,000.
Let's get that Skrilla, boys.
See, there, I knew it. SJ's mom. I knew it. Freaking A. Hey, honey, where should I send the 10K? I knew it. Freaking knew it. Dread Pirate Mexico, 3 months. Let's go, homie. 3 months. Get that. That's a burp. You're welcome. Growing at 5K. What changed between this year and the last 2 years? Casual gamer. Am I missing hollow here? Yeah. So that MACD might flip up. So the market is much better than last year, but it also is size. So I've scaled, right? Like on that GAUZ trade that I took here, like I took 4,000 shares. Last year, you almost never saw me take 4,000 shares. So it's just a matter of scale. I've got the account value up and I've scaled. So that's why you see larger numbers. It's the same strategies. It's just scaling. Pepe? I didn't tell you to buy Pepe. Don't freaking put that on me. I can tell you which P.O. box number. Shay's mom, don't tell him about our night in Aruba between you and I. Oh my gosh. Also, before I go, I want to tell you I appreciated the peaches you brought me the other day. Where did you get them from? Oh my gosh. Told me. I did not tell you, Fred. Do you ever get tempted to push it even harder with no, because it's scary. It's scary. Like the other day, I started taking 8,000 when I was up like $7,000. I was taking 8,000 share positions. Like it's not easy to do. Like I still like good and like a little panic attack, you know. I have gotten normalized to a 2,000 share position being like, I lost $400 on that. Yeah. So that's good. I've lost all semblance of money and value. So that means, I got to go bigger to get the thrill, you know what I mean? $4,000 last year, I'd be jumping around the house naked in a cloak, sunglasses. Now it's like a normal day. I should have been slapping both sacks on the tail. Damn right. Do you usually enter position with 10% of your bankroll? I don't look at what my bankroll is, and I don't really care. I'll use all of it to pick up $100. It just allows me to I'll take 2,000 shares of a $5 stock, and I'll take 2,000 shares of a $50 stock if they're moving similarly. What I'm looking at is how many cents am I going to make on this trade with $2,000 or 2,000 shares? Do I even go negative? I can't remember when my last red day was, honestly. Found a pic of SJ and his mom when he was a baby. Oh my gosh, what is this? For crying out loud. Son of a bitch. Dear God. $270, huh? What is this, Soils? Whoa, NVVE, what do you got here? Now it says pricing a public offering of common stock. Forward at 95 cents a share. then we're going up. How many? 5 million shares at 95 cents, and you're going up. This kind of crap is when you know you're in a euphoric market. When an offering where the float is 3.5 million and you're doing an offering of 5 million shares, so more than doubling your float, and the stock goes up. And the offering is below closing prices. If this continues on, that's just a confirmation of what kind of market we're in. If it dumps like it should, then okay, maybe there's some sort of normalcy going on. We'll see. Hollow about to go high day. Damn. I see that, Salt. 70, huh? Your link ain't working. Soils. Any stock sympathy plays? Well, it's crypto in general. So general, but we haven't, I mean, if you're talking like there's XRP ETFs, but yeah. The crypto plays in general haven't worked today. The ones that have news today, like Hollow, have worked, but the ones that hold crypto, like all these companies that already bought Bitcoin or crypto in general, they're not moving. Hollow's moving because it has a headline that they just bought a lot of derivatives of Bitcoin, but the ones that actually holding aren't moving for some reason.
7K plus day from you for my 7 months SJ.
Let's go, Jeff. I'm gonna try. No promises. Coinbase have futures? They do. All right. Oh, yeah. Thank you, different. Sounds like a very boring book. I hate books. I hate reading, Soils. I look at green and red bars. That's what I do. I do not want to start a book club. Good God. And this is like the furthest thing I would want to read. How depressing. I gotta take a shit. How did this not juice when this news came out on this one? It's gracious. Completely wish I was paying attention to this when the news came out. How did this not go crazy?
Morning SJ.
Huh. Is it demi? Sorry, guys. I don't mean to be burping. I usually mute it. It's just coming up. I'm on a different energy drink than normal today. Went with Bucked Up. About as redneck of an energy drink as you can get. And it is something. I'm all happy with my long XRP futures and SP. Almost 1,000. You have flexed on me at 4,700. What's up, Sugar Rush? Bucked Up sounds like. Why does it? I Dirty Dan, 36 months. Let's go. $65%. 65%. Where are we now? 81%. Jeez, this thing is crazy thin. All right, 5-minute break. Be back for the open. freaking got a text saying the garbage man was coming today because they didn't come yesterday. So I had to run and put my shit out. Still gonna take my 5-minute break. Oh, of course, the stock that I have a piece of is in a 10-minute halt down. Of course. INKT is that halting up too, huh? Key VUE. Activist pushing for sale. Can we get a 1 minute cock here? There it is. Not doing anything with it. I'm out. I want to watch this INKT out of a halt. Some levels for it. I don't know when this is supposed to open. CVM resumed. Of course it did. The halt again. Halting down again. Hollow halted down. CVM halted down again. So TOS is dicked right now. Saw that Nick was in a trade and it dicked him. Are all of you? Oh shit! All of you are getting dicked. Holy hell! It lets you buy, but doesn't tell you. But you can't sell? Oh, holy dickery, man. Look at this. GME. I mean, hollow, not GME. I don't want to say that. Look at this dumpster. Speaking of GME, did it break my levels? Oh, yeah, we're right back to it. Daily cock. This is where I want to watch it.
Choose took some pointers from Eaterd.
TOS took pointers from Eaterd. Is that what you said? SRFM. What is this? Swizzer, let's go 26 months. Bassman, let's go. All right, watch this SRFM. $8 level is key here from 2 days ago. Ooh. I got the 8 break. Really shitty exit. Okay. When does this INKT? This thing is on a 15 minute? No, 10 minute. All right, it should be opening soon, right? Jimmy Curl. What, the 2350 calls? There it is. Wow. Blew through that. 26. Oh, shit. What am I in at? 2750? 28? Oh, come on. What a terrible entry. What a really bad entry. It's okay, it was only pennies I lost here. 28. This thing's like How does that not break 28? There it goes. 29. There you go. Go 30. Why not? $50. 29.90. Taking a sum off the table. You go 30 first time? Nope. Jeez. Jeez! It's a $2 difference on my exits there. This is trading like INDM. Mother of God! Nay, nay. We haven't seen the Pope in a while. That's probably why my shoulders feel better. $30. Halting up. Don't you fall so. Don't you freaking fall so. Okay.
Come on.
5 years of growth and good times. Thank you, brother, and let's get it.
See. Coach Red, geez, 5 years. Let's go, homie. Let's go, Coach Red. Damn it, CVM. Can you stop, like, cratering here? What the hell? All right, SBET. This is a daily break. Or continuation, is to say. Holy dung. Well, I just lost like $750 in my, or $500 in my freaking swing account. GME, get going, baby. You got Bitcoin. Today's your day, GME. Is this 49? Luke with the fireworks. Love to see it. Love to see it. There you go. Go high a day. 52. Go 52. Go 52. Go high a day. That's not 52 break. Piece of junk. A representative bought VCYT. I don't know if this representative can move a stock. Beta checks reporting it. It's relatively low float. Spreads suck. Decent scalp, I'll take it. GME, try and high a day again. There it is. We got it. Let's go. Newegg juicing out of its face. 2360 daily level on GME. INKT, where are we opening? Please be $30. When does it open? Let's ask that question. $51.55. We got 2 minutes. Oh, for crying out loud.
Oh shit, what's that? SJ's on crack. He's got money in the bank and he's ready to spank. He's rolling the endorse and he can't be stopped. But hey, it could be worse. You could look like Lord Farquaad.
Oh, for crying out loud. Ban yourself. Do we have a quote on INKT? Hey, for those that are stuck in TOS, does the mobile app work? Like, it should be a different platform, but it might share the same servers. 3164. Okay, thank you. TOS good now? Mobile didn't work? Oh, shit. I'm sorry, guys. I'll make fun of TOS later, but not right now. That's too painful. So this is going to be a 10-minute haul, no doubt. It's gapping up $1.50. Or not. I'll freaking take it, man. I'll freaking take it, boys. 35 was like my extension number, and you're damn near that. Got it. XRP, absolute juice monster. GME breaking daily level 2360.
Hey there, Lord Tuckwed. Is this your best year you've had trading? If not, it certainly seems up there.
Best.
How was your 4th of July?
Stupid parrot. Yurtle, thank you for the parrot. It is already my 3rd best year ever. There's no way in the world will ever get to. Well, probably won't get to my 2nd best year ever. But it is my already 3rd best year ever. This is a cuck and go. Watch the 3850. Ooh, almost did it. All right, you have a 1-minute cock here, which I should have taken. It's moving really well. Circle curling. I don't even have that up today. Let's see. CL. Okay. Jimmy Juicing. Next level would be 2416 if we got lucky.
Now you can finally afford to fix that broken retaining wall. Or fix all the issues you have streaming in the bunker.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe pay eTurd to not suck.
Okay. Thank you, Euro, for the firework again. Hood's got this level here. $72. I wish we'd get a pullback here. Holy crap. Jimmy starting to juice. INKT juicing. It's tough because this is kind of now a channel rather than anything here. Hood went high a day. I gotta get rid of some of these things on my watch list. Jeez, these are garbage. Dare's back up? No. Coin looking at high day potentially. 121. Let's see if 100 holds. No. First go. I gotta pull up Newegg, don't I? Salt. This is halted down. Golly, went over 40. Jeez. I see halted up. Apollo. I'm not writing that thing off. $8. This 90 level is interesting. But it broke it. GameStop 1 minute. Did nothing with it. I'm out. Out half of my options to lock in that profit. 100%, 140% gain on it. I'll cash that in. Now I'm playing with the bank's money. How did I get filled at 37? Do you see what this number says? It says 41. Freaking E-Trade. Hood broke? Shit. All right, 101 potentially on Hood. You got to think of Hood as being a crypto play as well. They're making a big push, so you gotta think of him as that. So with crypto juice and yes, bet. Friday, nice. Circle kind of looking like a short here. If that 173.75 level breaks. Wireless mouse. It's not the wireless mouse. It's crying out loud. I've never had an issue with a Logitech wireless mouse, and I don't think I ever will. I love these things. They are fantastic. If you don't use a wireless mouse, especially not for trading, okay, I can understand maybe you don't want to take the risk of shit hitting the fan trading. I get that. But if you don't game with a wireless mouse, like, we can't be friends. Hood, cuck and go potential. $8. And no. That was a potential for a cuck and go, but now it's just dick me and dick me. Oh, well, Glad I got out. That was a $700 loser, but it was the right play. Playing the bounce here off of 100. What? Jeez. Bank AT 46. Jeez. 46.24. Jeez. Jimmy W at 23.85. 23.6. $48. That thing is insane. Hood. Now you go. You piece of shit. Seriously? This is a W that didn't go high of day, which was a penny later. Starting to dick me. Should have gone. Didn't go. Candle and a candle. Dude, what a turd bucket this thing is. S-Bet moving. There it is. They had news today? Oh, 10,000 ETH purchase. Okay. Hood going 101. That'd be a level. INKT has a... Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, that could have been a cuck and go. What is this? S-Bet with the juice. $47.76. $47.77. $48. Small size, looking for the 1 minute cock. Feels very heavy right now. A lot of selling, but this thing's shown wild moves. You got 50 right above it. People will be looking at it. I got a cushion on the day to try it, but it needs to go soon. We're on the 3rd minute pullback. Going into 4 and 5, I start getting a little, maybe don't go. Got a deeper pullback maybe on the 5 minute. Okay, this is not going to go now. So that would be 47 break. $46.98. $6.98. So this could be a cuck and go, so I'm loaded up for it. SBET waiting on a pullback there. Hood high day. Okay, that's off. Still looking for the first 1 minute. I'm not gonna take it because you're now on like the 5th minute of pullback, which I don't really like. SBET, that was a 1 minute. I missed it. It's a very nice 1 minute to play off of. 20-cent move. That's a lot of shares at 22, and it broke it first time. GME. Did it just break high today? It did. VVPR daily. 9KT halted down. Newegg resumed. Oh, jeez. Gave back all of it. That's so disgusting. I mean, Newegg is not a $500 million company, but still, that's disgusting. Jimmy, it's got potential. It still does, but it's not opened up for a good trade as far as on the 1 minute. $5.40. Jeez. Hood 101 break. We're at all-time highs on this thing. Hood and coin simps. Yep. $28. Good fill. Now do something with it. Besides dick me over. SJ's in it? Yeah, let's do a failed cock. After a really strong move up, let's do a failed move here. Yeah, do that. It's good. Freaking fantastic. I can't make a decent trade right now. GME. Let's try this one. This one looks good again. It's a cuck and go. Nothing. It's just not opening up. MACD's down. I didn't see that. All right. Chime hitting the scanners. That's one that I think I was interested in on the daily. Yeah, Chime over 3140 is something to watch. That'd be a cuck and go on the daily. I'll have to watch it. Hollow, complete disaster. CHYM. SBET might need a 5-minute. Shame what a month June was. How many of your viewers do you think are copy trading you? Not many. There's probably some, but not many. Most of them are seasoned traders and they know better. Is Newegg bouncing? INKT5 building out, right? It's a little scary with the MACD down, but there's been so many halts that you're kind of gonna ignore it. Shut up, Cosmo. All right, there's your 5. If you can get over 45 and hold, I think you can make a move. ABVE moving up. There's $4 on that. Chime. Really light volume. SRFM Juice Monster. $9.30 on SRFM. INKT. Oh, it's 40. There's GameStop. It's 45.88 is the 5 minute. Oh, why I thought the other one was. GME broke 24. Right there. Can we break it? 46. Spreads are $2. What the hell? It's $50 win on that. Oh, now it goes. Now you're gonna go. $47.80 is my entry. Holy, right there, huh? $48 break. Come on, sellers. Still sellers. They're gone. Go 48 and go. What are we looking for? 49. Jeez, come on. High day. 49. I'm not making enough for the sweat. Jeez. Now half. Oh, yeah, now it'll go. Now it'll freaking go. Damn you. I made $10 or something stupid like that. Son of a bitch! The hell is this stock market?
First, you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the crack back to the front. Then you suck it all till I shake and come. And you so lick it now.
Hood has a 101.25 level. 126. 130. Yep, XRP is juiced. Love to see it. Freaking told you all. I said, what was it this week or last week? I said, XRP, it had to be last week. That's when I entered it. I said, XRP looks freaking sick. You're welcome. Trailer Park Girl? What was her name? Moon something? I don't think she traded crypto though. I think she did stocks. Yeah, she might have been fake. I don't know. If you're a good trader though, like she stopped trading on stream anyway, and she started to try to do the podcast thing. If you're really making that much money, you don't just stop trading. So she might have been fake, but I have no proof of it. I don't like calling people fake unless I know for sure, because people do it to me. Chime. Damn, that hit 30. This would be a cuck and go if this freaking level would break.
I got my first real six string, bought it at the 5 and
Damn.
played it till my fingers
Me and your
bled.
mom. That's not how the song
Summer of
goes.
69. Me and your mom's from home, had a hand and we jobbed real hard.
It's not how
After
it.
69 married.
It's not how it goes. Selling the rest of this GME. Locking it in. Oh shit, I have a hood order still? Oh, let's cancel that. Not paying attention to it. Hood is gearing up for a move though. Come on, Chime. Today's your day, bud. 10-cent spread? Like, what are we doing here? Summer of 69. Jake, you're behind the 8 ball, buddy. People are already way ahead of you. Gotta get on that gravy train. There you go. Get the 40. Get the 40. SRFM 1 minute. I'm currently watching it make heads and tails. This is E-Trade. Which I do not recommend. Trade Pro, to be specific. Hood. Oh, is it doing it? Yep, it's doing it. So that would have been the break that I had an order for, and I would have made fat stacks on it. But I was too busy playing with myself over here on Chime. It's barely even moving. Markets are juicing. This was a news play yesterday. Beta just said that he's on Fox News talking about this. Energy Secretary is talking about METC on Fox News. It didn't hold the move yesterday, so I don't expect it to hold the move today. I'm just going to get out, break even. Chime back at 40. And KT, that's the one I really should be playing. Damn. I called this out at $12 this morning. Down here. I said, damn, this thing is thin. What is that? Oh, so you'll fill everybody else at 31.26, but when I put an order in there, no. SRFM. Gosh, just missed it. That thing's juicing too today. What is that? Phil, you piece of shit. All right, if this comes back up, I'm interested, but it is just pulling my chain too hard and doesn't feel good. $42 break. Come on. Nope. Nope. This is 101.42. 101.42. ABVE, wow. Your market high is 28. I don't really want to trade that one, honestly. SBET, interesting inside 5-minute candle. Little wedge there as well. There goes Hood. There goes Chime. Piece of shit. to dump there. Jeez. Break of the lower side. Should push down. Reclaim at 21. I might be taking a long. Looking for that 21, 12 to 13, whatever. Got it. Next level's 30. Or you can come right back down to my entry. Jeez, there's so much freaking volume here. Probably the break at 21:30. Damn. You gotta be careful on this. This is getting real chunky. Look at me. No flow. Like all over the place. I don't think it's the connection. $21.30, then $21.38. You're close to that MACD crossing. I got a partial fill. Bullshit. 188. All that. Can I get 50-cent level? Nope. Right back down to bullshit. Yep. Arrow daily levels 2152. Not 21, 27. Shit. I gotta go soon. I forgot I have to get off early today. That's why I got on early. $5,500 ain't a bad day. Feels like ass because I haven't made a decent trade in a little bit here. Agen has a stake in INKT. Is that why this is moving? I don't know if I believe that, but it could. Pro. Katie Halton. Watch that SRFM. That thing looking juicy. Yeah. Jimmy, it was a good exit, yeah. This thing's going. I got a bail. $5,500 day. Let's go. Good day. Great freaking week. Jeez, what's the week like? Let me look real quick. I gotta go take a shower and then I gotta go run some freaking errands. What happened to my eye? Jeez. All right. Let me see what I got. See what this week did. July is $40,000. This week, which I didn't even really get to trade all the days, $21,000 on the day. Let's frickin' go! BMHL IPO. Nice. So, it could be a juicer of a day. I wish I could stick around, but I can't. Which means things are going to go stupid. Days that I have to get off stream means things are going to go wild and it's going to go without me. Anyway, you all have a good one. I'll see you on Monday. Peace out.